Say hello, Queenie. Say hello, mga tita kadayers and tito kadayers. I'm Queenie. Hello to our vlog. Queenie. 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 Say hello. Welcome to our channel. We're back. Hi, Queenie. Hi, Kaylee. Hello, Kaylee. There, my other dog. So that's Queenie. It's summer here in Canada. We're living in up north of Manitoba. Winnipeg. Okay. Hey, so hello. Say hello. Hello, my girl. Hi. Paw. Paw, mommy. Paw, mommy. Paw, mommy. Hi, I'm Queenie. I'm one of mommy's dog. Hi, Kaylee. How's my Kaylee girl? So, say hello. Hello, welcome to our channel, my tita and tito kadayers. Met my Saint Bernard dogs. Those are my female dog, and that is Jagger. So that is Kaylee. Say hi. Welcome to our vlog. This is Queenie, my second female Saint Bernard. It's my first female Saint Bernard. And this is my... Okay, I'll give you bread. Here's your bread. Come. Okay. Sit. Queenie, sit, Kaylee. Okay, here you go, Kaylee. Say thank you, mommy. Thank you, mom. And hi, Jagger. Come, mommy. Come, mommy, come. Come, mommy. Oh, that's Jagger. Hi, Jagger. Say hello. That's my only male Saint Bernard. Jagger. 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 Jagger, my boy. Hello. Hello. Hi, say hi. Grabe yung ano dito. Grabe yung flies. Big flies this time. Yan, yung bahay ni Jagger. Wala na siyang kasama dyan dahil sineparate ko na yung mga babae. Kasi baka majuntis. Ayan, mga tita and tito kadayers ko. Ito yung tita kadayers na in Canada. So, ito yung I'm so happy I got one. The only one left. I don't know. Dalawa to eh. May maliliit. Kaso I think kinain ng birds. Yung isa ko. Thank you, Lord. I got my first apple. First fruit of my apple dwarf tree. Dwarf tree ko to. So, one. 2 and 3. I got 3 apple trees. Thank you, Lord. Hi, Queenie. This is my Queenie, my buddy. Come. Come, Queenie. Thank you, Lord. Kaya tingnan natin yung iba ko pang tanim. Ayan. Ang dami naming old used cars. Kagusto niyong bilhin. Yan ang bahay ko dito. Okay, we'll check kung ano nangyari sa talim na dito. Ayan, my small garden table. Okay. Tingnan natin. Hindi nag-grow yung... Uy! Ayan, may tiny squash ako. Look, they're growing. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Ito pa. My squash is growing. My pumpkin. And this is one of my strawberry. Yung isa kong strawberry nandun sa loob ng bahay. Ayan, yung mga beans ko. Mga tita and tito kadayers. And, okay, I got the celery, I think. Ano ba ito? I forgot. Beans. Saka yung spring onion ko. Ayan, yay! It's growing. At saka yung ibang tanim-tanim ko. Hey, yay! Thank you, Lord. They're growing. Oh, what is happening here? Ayan. Yung flower ko. Wala na. Hindi naka-survive. Ayan. I want to shout out and say hello to my tita and tito kadayers ko sa Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok, Thailand is my second home country. Dahil nag-work ako sa Bangkok for 14 years before ako nag-adventure here in Canada. So, medyo matagal na rin ako na OFW. So, sa mga OFW all throughout the world, including my relatives, my family, yung kambal ko na teacher din, sa Bangkok pa rin siya, Thailand pa rin siya. I think in 2 years time, mag-for good na sila sa Pinas. Ayan, shout out sa kay Topong sa Thailand. Ang isang brother ko doon sa Taiwan. Ayan, marami din kaming OFW. Queenie. Hi, my girl. This is very sweet. This is my sweet dog. Medyo mainit na dito sa Canada. Sometimes 28 degrees Celsius, sometimes 27, sometimes 20, depends. Paggabi medyo cool, warm. Sometimes windy. Ngayon nag-windy na. Okay, say thank you for watching. Say thank you, Queenie. Get up. Say thank you for watching, mga tita and tito kadayers. See you in our next vlog. See you in our next vlog. Okay? Queenie, Kaylee, say bye-bye. Kaylee. Huh? Oh my God. Say bye-bye. Ito. Ito naman siya. Hinuhook up ko. Dahil tumatakbo sa neighbors. Hi, my girl. Down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Down. Okay. Paw up. Paw. Sit down. Sit. Paw. Oh, good girl. Good girl. I'm Kaylee. I'm mommy's favorite too. Paw. Paw, mommy. Paw. Paw. Sit. Sit. Ah. Paw. Paw, mommy. Paw. Paw. Sit. 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 Down, down, down. Okay, paw. Ah, good girl. Ah, paw. Sit. Paw. Ah. Sit. Okay, paw. Okay, say bye-bye now. See you in our next vlog. God bless all. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Hey, look. Let's go. Ito naman yung bahay ng mga babae ko. Check the house. Grabe yung ano. Grabe yung langaw at lamok dito. It's super summer. And ito yung bahay ng dalawa kong aso na babae. I separate them from Jogger. Kasi nakailang anak na rin sila. Ang daming puppies ko before. So may pet na ako. May extra income pa. And dito, ito yung pagsama. Ayan, so tingnan natin yung yung Queenie, hello. Queenie is my buddy. Okay, so I got 3 apple trees. Ito yung last ko na tinanim. Muntik na siya mamatay. Pero thank you, Lord. Ayan, buhay. It's super healthy. Ayan, so that's my first apple tree. Lord, it's healthy. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo mga tita and tito kadayers. So, ito yung ginagawa ng tita kadayers niya dito sa Canada. Pag walang regular work, kasi summer ngayon, summer break. So, mahina yung beauty. Ayan. So, may time ako mag-take care sa mga tanim. Okay, so this is my second apple tree. go to my third apple tree. So, I got 3 apple trees. Ayan, tingnan natin kung may bunga na. Thank you, Lord. They're all healthy. They survived from 5 months winter season. Tumaba ulit sila. Ayan. Gagaling. Woohoo! Check if... Ayan, may first fruit na ako, mga tita ka-dyers. Ayan. Ito yung second strawberry ko. Okay, flowers. Nilagay ko siya sa loob ng bahay. In-indoor plant ko muna sila. Kasi, tsaka ito yung plant light ko. Yan. Okay, I have one more there. Heart shape, I don't know. I forgot the name of that plant. Okay, so ito yung mga plant ko dito. Indoor plants. Okay. So yung nilagay ko siya, yung isa kong strawberry, nilagay ko sa loob ng bahay. Dahil sobrang init sa labas. Baka magaya sa isang strawberry ko na medyo muntik na mamatay. Ayan, at least nakasurvive siya. So beautiful! My second strawberry. Thank you, Lord. Okay. Ayan.